latest trendsetter built for today's young crowd is finally here. Say hello to the OPPO Reno 15. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Once again, OPPO is raising the bar for what a stylish, youth-focused smartphone should be. The Reno lineup has always had a way of surprising its fans, and this generation is no different. In the past, we usually saw simple black, white, and gray color options, but this time, OPPO is stepping things up. Along with the color brown and Aurora Blue versions I have here, there's also a dazzling Starlight Fox Festival Special Edition. The Reno 15 debuts the industry's first holographic lithography process, giving the back panel a high-gloss, icy clear look with a premium glass touch. The glass-crafted Starlight camera module blends in so smoothly you can barely see the transition. The color brown variant lives up to its elegant name, and its matte finish shifts beautifully as you move it in the light, giving it a luxury feel from every angle. This generation leans heavily into a sleek, compact design. OPPO keeps the iPhone-style Deco unibody cold-carved glass aesthetic paired with ultra-thin bezels that instantly elevate its appearance beyond most rivals. But it's not just about looks. The updated ColorOS brings a silky, high-end experience that users will instantly feel. Honestly, it's right up there with iOS in terms of fluidity. Even the new depth of field wallpaper collection pulls you in with its visual depth. As for the camera setup, OPPO goes all in with a true quad camera system. No filler lenses here. The primary camera is a 200 megapixel ultra lightweight sensor that supports 4K live video. And just like on Apple devices, you can shoot with the front and rear cameras at the same time. From build to features, it's clear OPPO put genuine effort into this one. We're all waiting to see what other surprises will drop at the official launch event, but for now, this was just an early unboxing. A full detailed review is coming soon, so stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed. I'll catch you in the next video.